I'm driving down the highway here. A couple of slow-moving semis. There's room to get over. I go over in the left lane, start pacing the leading semi. And here comes a group of bikers behind me, probably returning from Sturgis. Now, I don't know what the hell these guys' problems is, but they really make it look bad for all bikers. So, start passing the semi, and then all of a sudden, the leading semi brakes and slows down, of course, causing me to slow down, which I think these bikers think I brake checked them. But as you can see, a box just went by there, flew back by the bikers. They get pissed off, and they're just like, screw this. Let's just be a bunch of jerks that, make all bikers look bad. So they start passing the semis on the shoulder. And I look and I see them doing this, and I'm like, what the hell are they doing? So I start looking at them, and here's my fault. You can see where I kind of swerve over on the line. That was actually because I was too busy looking at the right and drifted over. But, here they are. They're still passing vehicles on the shoulder like a bunch of assholes, making all the bikers look bad out there.